Hello! In this video, we will cover key instructions for using the ImmunoProfile antibody test system specimen collection kit. Your kit includes the following: a blood collection card, adhesive bandages, gauze pads, 2 lancets, alcohol prep pads, blood sample return bag, return shipping label, UPS clinical lab pack with absorbent pad, instructions for use with code for registration instructions. And now, let's get started. Step 1. Register your kit. You can do this on our website, www.immunoprofile.com. Log in using the username and password created when ordering your kit. Then, click on the Register My Kit button on the top bar of the web page. Check that your contact information is correct. Here you can edit information if needed. Next, enter date of birth, date of collection, and kit serial number found below the barcode. Then you will press the Activate button. This will activate your test for the laboratory to process your sample. Step 2. You will now authenticate your sample. Provide the following on your blood collection card. Print your name, date of birth, date of collection. Note: the lab cannot process your sample if this step is skipped. Once you have completed this step, you can locate a UPS drop-off location. You will be shipping the same day or the day after collection. Now you're ready to begin collecting your blood sample. Start by selecting a clean and uncluttered space. Remove all of the contents from the kit. Open 2 gauze pads and 1 adhesive bandage, and check that your card has been authenticated. Locate the collection circles on the collection card. Step 5. Prep your hands for blood flow. It's essential to get your blood flowing before you collect. To do this, place your hands under warm water. Shake your hands at your sides for 5 seconds and then dry excess water with a clean towel. Now we will move on to prepping your finger for blood collection. Find a spot on the right or left side of your ring finger, toward your fingertip. Clean the area using one of the alcohol prep pads. Let the alcohol dry for 1 minute. Step 7. Prep the lancet for blood collection. Twist the top off the lancet to open it. You can only use the lancet 1 time to puncture. You will not see the needle after twisting off the top. It will automatically activate when pressed to your skin in our next step. Step 8. Prick your finger. Place your finger against a firm surface. Press lancet firmly against your fingertip until you hear a loud click. The lancet will retract after use, so no sharp will be exposed. Step 9. Use the gauze pad to wipe away the first blood drop. Now, drip blood in each of the circles until they are completely filled. Squeeze your finger as needed to help drip the blood. Completely fill a minimum of 2 circles. Do not wipe your finger with a gauze pad between drops. Use the gauze pad to stop the blood flow and apply the adhesive bandage to your finger. Step 10. Let the sample card dry on a flat surface for a minimum of 30 minutes at room temperature, avoiding sunlight. The collection card must be completely dry prior to shipping. It's okay if the blood expands outside the line of the circle. Step 11. Prep for mailing. Next, you will put your dried blood collection card in the blood sample return with the desiccant and cardboard and seal inside the bag. Step 12. Take the sealed collection bag and place into the UPS clinical lab pack shipping bag. Seal the bag and drop at the UPS drop-off location. Note: do not mail package at the US Post Office. Step 13. Now you will clean up by placing materials into a normal trash bin. After you ship your collection sample, ImmunoProfile will track your shipment to ensure it arrives at our lab. Once your dried blood collection card sample is received, the lab will process the sample assuming it passes all quality checks. We will email you when your test results are available. Please see the frequently asked questions on the ImmunoProfile website for details about when you can expect your results. Thank you.